G'day guys, my name is Mikey, and today I'll be talking about one of the most heavily guarded secrets in magic. Today we're gonna, okay, this is a bit dramatic. Hello. The Tamariz Mnemonica Stack is a special sequence of cards where every single position of every single card has been memorized by the magician. For example, if you ask me what's the 31st card from the top of the deck, I would say the King of Spades. But the tricks don't just end in people guessing which cards where and whatnot. Hundreds and hundreds of tricks have been developed for this stack. In fact, there's an entire book that Juan Tamariz, the man who invented the Mnemonica Stack, has written. Today I'm going to teach you how to actually memorize the stack. I will not give anything away from this book. This is how I memorized the deck even before I bought the book, which at the time was $400 dues. Since then it's been reprinted for all us magicians. You can go pick it up right now. I highly recommend it if you want to learn some incredible tricks and just improve your magic skills. So here is the Mnemonica sequence of cards. Now the way I memorized the stack was through basic mnemonic techniques. Basically, I created a story of every single card. For example, at position number 1 is the 4 of clubs. I picture one man standing in front of a door, rhymes with 4, and he's holding a club above his head to smash the door down. I know that it's at the first position because there's only one man. The next card is the 2 of hearts. The man can't get through the door, so he uses his 2 shoes that are weirdly shaped like hearts. 2 of hearts at number 2. I know it's ridiculous, but it's those weird, ridiculous stories that if you take the time to try and develop these random stories, they'll stick in your head. The weirder, the better. Now I do these stories in chunks of 13 a week. So for the first week I made up an entire story for the first 13 cards, do 4 of clubs to Queen of clubs. That's the first week, create a story through that. Then the next week, next 13, next week, next 13, then do the whole stack. Coming back each day to see if you can memorize that order of 13 cards. So that's my way that I learned how to do Mnemonica. It was actually very hard to find anything on Mnemonic except for a few forum pages. If you don't have the book, there's not many references online because of how heavily guarded this secret is. In fact, I had to take down my previous video where I went into a bit more depth on how to memorize the stack, but I was giving too much away, so I've created a bit more of a spoiler-free version. If you want to get in more depth on Mnemonica, get this book. I'm not sponsored. Inside you'll find a few other techniques to actually memorize the deck, including memorizing it in 3 hours. Other magicians use techniques like the palace, the memory palace. So why use Mnemonica rather than any other stack? Well, first, it's a true memorized order. You don't need any mathematical equations or patterns to recognize it. And furthermore, the audience can't detect any kind of sequence because it seems random. It can also be arrived from new deck order through thorough shuffles and overhand shuffles, which is detailed in the book. So I hope you enjoyed that very small introduction to Mnemonica Stack, one of the best techniques in magic. Please subscribe for more talk on magic. Thank you for watching. See you later.